All right, so today we're going to address a problem with a simple fix. It is the struts or hood supports. Mine are very old and worn. I've been hitting the head several times. It's not fun. And if you ever had something you weren't planning on the hood to shut, something larger than should be or sticking out, and the hood accidentally slam on it, this metal is very thin and can warp, and you'll be able to notice it in your gaps and stuff. So anyway, I just picked up some aftermarket on Amazon. I think I paid about 25 bucks for a pair of them. They have them cheaper, but didn't get quite as many good reviews with the cheaper ones. So I went with this as opposed to getting Porsche, which is about $40 to $50 a piece. Even the store I work for, we do lawn maintenance equipment. They could order me some, but they were gonna be about $30 a piece. So this was the cheapest, easiest way to go. All right, so to hold the hood open while I'm replacing the struts, I'm gonna use this yellow broomstick. It's been sawed off at some point by a few inches, so it's a little shorter than it originally was. But up here in the top of the underside of the hood, there's a round hole that the threaded part of the broomstick fits in very nicely. And then down here at the bottom, there's this round indention that the bottom part fits in. And so that will hold it safe and secure while I undo the struts. Okay, so to remove the old strut, on each end, there's a ball that's part of the car, and the strut is clamped onto it with this metal band. And so what you'll need to do, try to show you on the new strut, is pry something underneath. I'm using a straight pick. I have my little screwdriver ready if I need it, but the screwdriver is just a little too blunt to get started. But you'll just go under and pry up on that, and what that'll do is inside here, either end of the band is clamping on the ball, and when you stick something into there, pries it out so it can release. All right, there's the bottom one. There's the top. And then, just take the new one. Top. You should just be able to snap these on. And I'm gonna have to raise the hood up a little bit. The broomstick's not as long as the strut. There we go. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing here on the driver's side. All right, so once again, I said I got the supports off of Amazon, and the company name is Arana, I'm assuming. They have 18-month quality support, 24-hour online customer service. There's a website and an email address. I'm assuming 18-month quality support means like a warranty, but I really don't know. But anyway, the price was absolutely right. $24, I think it was $24.99, so $25 with Amazon Prime free shipping. They went on very easily, and they are the correct length, and they work great. See, instead of the hood wanting to fall on my head, now it actually wants to run away from my head. So that's great. But anyway, I hope this helps you, inspires you to get out and fix your hood supports. But if you like this video, please hit like, hit subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.